So this is the Caddy 150 PS DSG. I'm just going to give you a demo of the auto parking. So I'm going to roll up towards the space and let the vehicle scan whether the gap's big enough for the van. It's telling me it is. So in a second it'll tell me to put it in reverse. So all I'm going to do is just select reverse on the gearbox, put my hands in my lap and let the steering wheel do what it needs to do. All the time I'm checking my mirrors, checking the reversing camera, just making sure we're not going to hit anything. So now it just wants me to put it into drive and just straighten it back up, and then back into reverse and just roll back into the space. Again, just checking my mirrors, checking reversing camera as we roll up to the space. Job done.